All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Probably one of the best combinations I put together this year when buying a phone is probably this one right here. The Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Watch Ultra have turned out to be really good. Now, I've been pretty much rotating between devices, but I think I might go full time back with the Z Fold 6. I have a lot of devices, so that's why it becomes a little difficult for me sometimes when, doing reviews on things and using them for a lengthy period of time. But some devices just always stand out. And I was kind of comparing the battery life and following up on battery life with the Ultra Watches. This is the Ultra Watch 2, and this is the Samsung Ultra Watch, Galaxy Ultra Watch. So this watch right here is, man, folks, it's really good. It is a really solid watch, and battery life is probably one of the longest I have amongst all the watches that are smartwatches like this. That's not including the Amazfit lineup. No watch I have can match the Amazfit lineup. So when it comes to a good combination, now that could also be the Ultra as well. You can do the Ultra, but I think the Z Fold 6. I really wish sometimes that it had the full-on cameras that the Ultra has, but it doesn't. But they come close because I've actually recorded a lot of content with this phone right here, and you wouldn't know that it came from the Z Fold 6 if I didn't if I took off the little. I have the logo set on the bottom that says Z Fold 6 when I use this phone, so I started turning it off to record some content. But I want to give you just a real brief and quick follow-up on this device, man. It is just that good. You get this beautiful display here. And again, coupling it with the watch, I think you kind of get that ultimate combination because, yeah, they've definitely could have made it wider, but I think this just works. Having this setup here works really well because it is pocketable. And then I currently use it with the Binks case and the Pataka case. And I kind of keep it more in the Pataka case because the Binks case covers the hinge. And when I want to put this on a tripod to record and I want to use the viewfinder, the hinge blocks it. So that's kind of why I've been using it with the Binks case. But nonetheless, I've been using it like this. I'm a huge fan of not covering phones. This does have camera modules on it. But other than that, I mean, there's nothing on this device. And I like it that way. I like the premium hardware and feel that the Z Fold 6 has over the Z Fold 5. I did trade in my Z Fold 5 like most people did when this launched. And I just think it was such a good deal. And I got the 1 terabyte version of this device, and it's been great. No problems whatsoever. I have no complaints about the overall experience with the software, nothing. It's just been that good. I like having the full screen display like this when watching content. I just think it makes for a better experience. Now, I've been daily driving my Pixel 9 Pro and my iPhone 16 Pro, but this weekend I switched back over to this combination right here, and it's like I missed it. You know, the iPhone is cool and everything, but it's definitely limited on what it can do. I still think Apple needs to bring a folding device, at least some iteration of it. I think it would do well. I guess they're afraid to, or they're just not going to do it, but oh well. So the Z Fold 6 having this large canvas here just makes sense. Having a folding device, some people still are against it, but you just have to be careful. Because the inner display obviously is what people worry about. But when this device is closed, it's just like any other device. It's nothing that's going to break on it. There's severe damage. There's none of that softer screen showing. So, hey, that's the good part about having a foldable. This outer display does have a tempered glass on it because it can break like anything else. And obviously this back glass can break. Anything can break on any device. But this device has just been feeling good, man. I've just really been liking it. The battery life is really solid. And I think if you're looking for some kind of combination that kind of takes you away from the crowd, going with a foldable device definitely is the way to go. And why not try Samsung's foldable device? There are some leaks now, I believe, for a new special edition fold with the Elite processor in it. I don't know if that ever comes to fruition. I don't know. If it comes out, I'll buy it. I want to try it out if it does come out. But there's also some rumors of the OnePlus 13 starting to hit now. So that's going to be interesting. I might pick that up. But I think for an ultimate combination, I hate to say like just flat out the ultimate, because this the Galaxy S24 Ultra is really nice, folks. This is a great phone right here. But as far as pocketability goes, look at how the difference in size here. The Z Fold 6 is much smaller and obviously way more pocketable. And then you get to open it up into a full-size tablet. You just get more. Yeah, so it's the Ultra is like the ultimate smartphone, but if you want that just full-on, probably don't have to upgrade for many years to come. As long as you take care of it, folks, it will work for you. I just want to give you a quick follow-up on the Z Fold 6, man, because it gets overlooked a lot, I think, but I think there's a lot of people still using. There's more people that are using this combination right here that are just not creators. They're not online and they're not influencers. They're just using the devices. So I think that's something that we should always take note of. Not everyone is doing video creation. So the Z Fold 6, man, I'm loving this thing, and I switched back to this combination. I still wear my Apple Watch just for the fitness portion of it, because the fitness portion on the Ultra, the Galaxy Watch Ultra, it's nice. I like the faces and everything. It has better battery life than the Apple Watch Ultra. It feels better. It looks better. It's just a lot going on here. I really like it. But I'm just used to the fitness tracking on the Apple Watch. That's all. I'm slowly transitioning back to just only wearing one watch. But I carry multiple phones, so that'll be kind of difficult for me. But it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I wanted to follow up here, man. This is, to me, one of the best combinations you could probably have right now if you want a new device that can do everything. The Ultra watch is just the ultimate smartwatch from Samsung. And then the Z Fold 6 isn't slept on. It's just really expensive. And I think that takes a lot of people away from buying these certain devices. But this one is really nice, folks. It is the terabyte version, so it is $2,000. I didn't pay the $2,000, obviously, but it's expensive if you don't have any kind of trade-ins or discounts or anything. So wanted to follow with you guys. This is my current daily with the Pixel 9 Pro. And I'm kind of sitting down from the iPhone for a little bit. I know people are, RCS is on everything now, so no one's really going to know that, you still get the same type of quality and stuff like that. But this is just hard to ignore. What do you think about the Z Fold 6? I'll see you in the next video. Take care.